Hello! If you guys noticed something very different, it is because I have no makeup on. So today was one of those weird days where quarantine is kind of getting to you. It's a little bit of an off day, and so I decided to do a face mask. It's really easy. The ingredients in here are really good for your skin, and roses will lift up your vibration. Roses have a higher vibration than humans do, so a really nice natural way to lift up your mood, increase your vibration, and just feel good. And not only that, but milk is something that Cleopatra used on her skin for that healthy, glowy, dewy, radiant, glowing skin. So that's what I want to do right now. I'm going to take you along with me. If you guys want to know how to make the face mask and the results too, I'll show you what it looks like when I wash it off. Let's go. Okay, so you're only going to need 3 things for this face mask. You're going to need milk, which I have here, about maybe 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of milk is all you're going to need. You're going to need honey. I'll show you how much I add. And then you're going to need rose petals. I have rose petals right here that I have charging underneath a rose quartz crystal. And then I have a clear quartz crystal back there so that the energy of the roses and the honey and everything is just amplified and cleared and just good energy. So this is gonna make me feel really good. I can already feel that boost in my mood, which is so nice. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Okay, so another thing that I forgot to mention you're gonna need is a blender. If you don't have a blender, it's okay. You can kind of hand mix this. It's totally fine. But I just want everything to be blended and mixed, and also kind of the essence of everything to release into this face mask. So this is completely optional too. If you don't have a rose quartz, you don't need one. Now that everything is charged and ready, I am going to throw my milk into my little blender. Next, I'm going to take my rose petals and I'm going to throw that in there as well. I don't think I'm going to use all of it because that's a lot. I would say about 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of rose petals. Next, I'm just going to kind of squirt some honey in there. That's all I'm going to use. About 1 teaspoon, I would say. Not a lot of honey. I don't want this to be super sticky. I want this to feel nice on my face. So basically, now that we have all the ingredients in the blender, we're gonna close that up and blend. So now we're done blending, I'm gonna put this somewhere where it's not gonna leak all over the floor. Put it right there. And that's kind of what it's gonna look like. So it's just very liquidy consistency, if you can see that, and it's perfect, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like a rose smoothie. I'm gonna spill this out for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So I made quite a bit. This is probably enough for about 2 uses, or if you want to throw this in your bath water, or if you want to use it all over your body, you can do that. I tied my hair up and I'm just gonna go in and put this on. I'm just gonna use my finger. Now this is also gonna exfoliate your skin because there's rose petals in there, and they're like pieces of rose petals that are, oh, they're so soft. They feel so good. The reason why I chose roses, milk, and honey is because roses lift your vibration. Like I said in the beginning of the video, roses really help to raise your vibration and also to just lift your mood. Roses have a higher vibration than human beings do. So anytime that you're feeling low, use roses, rose essential oil, do this face mask, you know, treat yourself. My skin has been so dry lately too. I think it's like not getting enough fresh air and just staying indoors so much. Yeah, so that's why I wanted to do a facial, just kind of treat my skin. I probably look so horrendous right now with stuff all over my face, but you guys are like my family, so you can see all of this. Milk, because milk actually puts moisture back into your skin, a ton of moisture back into your skin. It also kind of exfoliates and brightens your skin, gets rid of dull and dry skin. That's why I use milk. And honey, of course, spiritually speaking, magically, honey is used to sweeten things up. So I want to sweeten up my mood. I want to sweeten up my vibration. I just want to sweeten up my life a little bit right now. So I added some honey in there. Not only that, but honey is really good for your skin. Honey helps exfoliate your skin. And it also helps to put moisture back into your skin as well. Now, I don't have a mirror with me. I'm just doing this staring at the camera. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is put this on your face. This feels so good. Like it's instantly just lifting my mood so much. I love this. I'm actually gonna save half of this for my boyfriend to use, and I might even take a bath and use the rest in my bath water because I made a lot. So the amount that I showed you, probably use half of that because this is a lot. Now, what I'm gonna do is just leave this on my skin for about 20 minutes to half an hour. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like, and then I'll wash it off and show you what that looks like. So I will be right back. Okay, so it's been way more than 20 to 30 minutes. I think it's been about 2 hours. My brother actually ended up calling, so I was on the phone with him for 2 hours. But this is what the mask looks like. It's dry. It's kind of sticky, but all the petals are stuck to my face, which is good. Because when you wash your face, you want to make sure to exfoliate and rub all the petals in your skin so you get rid of the dry and dead skin. I look horrendous, but I'm gonna go wash my face, come back and show you guys the results. All right. Okay, so I just washed my face and I put my Blue Tansy Kali Protection Oil on right after I washed my face, which if you guys are interested in that oil, it is on my Etsy shop. That's why my face probably looks a little bit shiny because I just put some oil on it, but it does absorb into your skin really, really quickly. And I feel really, really good because it has meditative properties, so it puts you in this very calm and relaxed state. But overall, this face mask made my face feel so good. It feels so good. It feels like baby soft. And if you guys can kind of see the difference, it might be a little bit red right now, but it feels really good. Even though I left it on for about 2 hours, it looks really, really good. My pores feel clean. It just feels real good. I'm so glad I did this. It really helped me with the low vibrations that I was feeling today, the anxiety that I was feeling today. It was just what I needed. It was the perfect touch, and I'm so glad I did it. And I wanted to share it with you guys because we are in quarantine, a lot going on, and it's really important for us to treat ourselves and treat our skin, and that's exactly what I did. I'm so happy that I did it. So if you guys do end up trying this face mask, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.